Read my lips.
Hello everyone, my name is Naughton. I'm an organizational psychologist and I just wanted to check in with you. Prior to exocad Insights, check your levels of curiosity in times like these. You might not know it, I'm part of a team called the Curiosity Council, and we actually research on this topic quite intensely. We can actually show that workplace curiosity has profound effect on innovativeness, change readiness in times like these, and individual competency. And it consists of these 4 dimensions. Now, we all have them. They are part of our personality, some more, some less. And during the pilot training we did with Porsche Consulting, the Weizmann Institute from Israel and the team from Merck, one delegate looked at this and came up to me and said, "Dr. Naughton, I think I have 100% on all 4 of them. My wife actually says I'm too curious." I mean, that is at least what she wrote in her diary. But not to worry, this snooping around is in no way connected to workplace curiosity, but a lot of other things really are. And if you'd like me to, I will show you the secret behind workplace curiosity in times like these, how we can manage it, and what a blue banana has to do with all of that. And I'll show you at the upcoming exocad Insights event. So stay curious, and we will meet either on site or online in September at exocad Insights.